Hello, namaste. Welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, liking my content. Okay. In the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So today's pick a card reading is about animal spirit messages. What your spirit animal wants you to know. We can see which spirit animal is guiding you at this time. Okay, so let's see. And remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay, I hope you get some clarity, some information. Okay, and some positivity, some motivation. Okay, always that is my goal always. So yeah. I have three groups over here, so you can select from that. So for the first group, I have this citrine bracelet, chip bracelet, citrine chip bracelet for group number 1. For group number 2, I have this coin, and for group number 3, I have this amethyst pendulum. Okay. So close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, connect with your higher self, and then pick a pile or an object. Okay, so take your time. Today I thought I will do charms also and letters also. So yeah, okay, so take your time, relax, connect with yourself, and then pick a pile. Okay, if you want more time, please pause the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1, guys. Hello, if you chose the citrine chip bracelet, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what your animal spirit messages are at this point of time, what you need to know. So let's see, I have already shuffled these two other cards. I'll be shuffling on camera. Okay, so the first card over here is Puffin, partnership, and we have hummingbird, miracles. Wow, okay, so that's beautiful, miracle. So if you are going through a emotional phase in your life, I see that is going to be over. Maybe you are seeing hummingbirds, I don't know, but definitely hummingbirds are like they can adapt everywhere. They are so they're the joy bringer. They're very positive. I feel like that. So if you are going through a negative phase in your life, I see a lot of positivity is coming. So you're the joy bringer. You bless the world with positivity and love. Energy soars on your shining wings. Spread the miracle of happiness. So yeah, so that is what I feel with this. And we have the citrine. So yeah, some good news. I feel like that some good news is coming your way. That is what. If you have been seeing a hummingbird, I completely feel like that is your message. That is your sign that something good is gonna happen. That something good that will give you a lot of happiness, like a lot of positivity. It can be a small thing, but sometimes small things gives us happiness, right? Like a compliment from some people, or maybe feeling loved, or it can be as simple as accepting ourselves, right? So accepting the situation and like feeling positive about it, like yeah, and like yeah, everything will be all right. So it's like mentally you are shifting your energy. I feel like that you're going more towards positivity. That is what I feel like it. And with this Puffin partnership, so definitely for some of you it can be a person coming into your life, right? So maybe someone new is coming who will bring a lot of joyful times, a lot of happiness. And yes, I feel you guys are very humorous type of people. I don't know, maybe you joke around. People like to be around you. That is what I feel like. Okay, so or for some of you, I feel you will meet someone like this who will be like very humorous, and this person might make you laugh. It can be a friend, it can be like some family members, it can also be a kid, that will make you smile, make you laugh. But something is happening. If you're going through emotional phase right now, if you're like, or if you feel like nothing major is happening, or if you feel like, oh, nothing is going in my life is so bored, or something like that, if you're feeling right now, something exciting is coming that will make you happy. That is what I feel. For many of you, it can be definitely a partnership. I don't know, I'm getting a message. Maybe some of you will get proposed, like marriage proposals. I'm getting that vibe also, like marriage proposals, or like someone is gonna propose to you, or maybe for some of you, you might get a collaboration with someone. Like if you are working in a company, or if you're working for yourself, like self-employment, if you're like, you might get a chance of like collaboration with other people. That will bring you a lot of happiness. So if you're feeling very low about your job, about your career, or whatever it is, I kind of feel something major is going to happen there. Something that will give you like immense happiness. So whatever it is, it will give you a lot of happiness, and you'll be like, wow, that is why I lost this opportunity, because there was a bigger opportunity for me, or something like that. You maybe in the past you lost something, and now, in the future you will be like, yes, this is why I lost this, because I was meant for good, more better things, right? Because good things take time. I don't know why I'm saying that, but that is what I'm getting the quote, like good things take time. And if you're impatient, be patient, because I feel things are going to be very good for you guys. Accept yourself and your colorful personality. Look at this colorful personality and the joy bringer. So you are very very, like, I feel this humorous vibe. You're very you're not so negative person, you're a very positive person, but right now maybe you're feeling a little low. So maybe that's why these two cards, your spirit animals, are saying you are a very joyful person, you're a very happy person. Be that person. Okay, everything is going to be okay. Come back to you. I'm getting like, come back to you, to your own self. Like, you were so chilled, why are you stressed right now? So that is what I feel like. So your animal spirit is like, good luck is coming. With the citrine bracelet, I feel like that good luck is coming. So don't worry, whatever you're doing, always, whenever we start something, hope for the best possible outcome instead of the worst. Sometimes what happens in our life, we overthink. We do something and we'll be like stressing about it. So don't do that. Do your part and be hopeful about it. That is what optimism, you need to have more optimism. Your spirit animals are telling you that. So yeah, partnerships is coming, proposals are coming, maybe new opportunities are coming that will make you happy. But something is coming that will make you happy, and you will be the person you were. Right, maybe right now I feel you're a little dull. You'll be back to yourself. That is what I feel. You will be like renewed, like you will be like positive again, right? You will be like the humor. You are very humorous people, I feel like that, some of you maybe, and you'll be back at it. Yeah, you will be making all people happy, like making people laugh. Okay, that is what I feel like. Yeah, look at this, these two cards are different, and the words like, you are the joy bringer and you are the joy bringer. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so like, all same message. You are the joy bringer, you are the colorful one, you are unique, you stand out. So accept yourself the way you are. Okay, accept yourself and your colorful personality. Feel confident about being you. You're a joy bringer. Let your community nourish and protect you. Ask for help. Teamwork will give you the best results. Okay, for this pile, I also feel you have friends. If you have friends, you can ask advice from your friends. Your friends will help you. That is also I'm getting. So if you work in a team, you are going to be doing very good job. So if you're worried about any presentation, about your career, don't worry, because you will be able to manage it, and hope for the best possible outcome. Okay, that is very important. So whatever, come back to yourself, guys. Come back to the come back to your like the like, I don't know, I'm getting the vibe that you have lost your spark right now. You're feeling very demotivated. Come back to yourself, because nothing is going to go away from you. Okay, for group number 1, that is what your spirit animal wants you to know. That don't get stressed. Be the happy person that you were always, because you are so, I feel this smiley person. You always smile, you're very kind and smile. You want to make people laugh. Come back. That is what I feel like. Okay, so let's see what else for my group number one people who ever chose the citrine bracelet. So let's see what is the message from their animal spirit, guys. Oh yeah, throat chakra. Okay, okay, okay. So so maybe you have throat issues, maybe you are, maybe you sing with this mirror, you know, I feel like that maybe you're singers, or maybe right now you're feeling very stuck with your sound or something, so you need to do some throat chakra meditation, or you have a presentation, you're very worried, so that is also I'm getting, or maybe you're comedians, like do stand up comedy or something, I don't know, but definitely you're feeling very stuck with your throat, you're not able to like communicate properly, so it's time you work on the throat chakra, and this is just a temporary phase, guys. If you are worried about that, everything will be all right. If you do like stand up comedy, or if you sing in front of people, don't worry, you will be able to perform well. You are this, you know, you bring you make other people happy through your voice. I feel like that, maybe through your comedy, your singing, or whatever it is, you give other people happiness, remember that. And for some of you, it's time to speak up the truth. Okay, if you are underpaid, I'm getting that, if you're underpaid, just ask for it. Maybe that is the reason you are losing yourself. Maybe you're putting out yourself, you're working, and you're not getting that much in return. So it's time to speak up your truth. Okay, sometimes we have to be kind, but sometimes we need to speak up, speak up for ourselves, isn't it? So you need to work on your throat chakra. That is what I feel like. And with this blue color, a lot of clarity, a lot of answers are coming for you guys. So if you're feeling low right now, this is just temporary, guys. You're going to be yourself again. I feel like that. Maybe because of I feel like maybe because of the pandemic or something, you are not able to be yourself, or you're very worried about the situation, right? So don't be worried. Okay, everything will be okay. You will be able to be back. You will be back. That is your animal spirit saying. Okay, so yeah, speak your truth, guys. So if you feel like saying no to something, just go and say no. Don't do something that you don't want to do. Okay, there might be people who are making you do things that you don't want to do. So just speak your truth. Okay, don't be afraid to speak your truth. Okay, that is very strong message I'm getting, because you're the joy bringer. You want to make everyone happy, and sometimes it's not possible. If you're not happy, how you're gonna make other people happy, right? So you need to take care of yourself. So if you don't want to do something, just say no. Okay, speak your truth. And if you have like throat problems, it will be okay. You just need to meditate. Okay, maybe you're singers, you have like throat problems, or maybe your throat is acting up or something like that. So just work on it. Things are gonna change for you guys with this 5 number. If you're going, I feel like this pile is like going through like maybe you're thinking about your past. In the past you were doing good, everything was good, where my good luck has gone. If you're thinking like that, it's gonna come back. You will be back. Okay, so things are gonna shift for you guys. Okay, just don't forget to speak your truth and be clear with your intentions to the divine. Manifest. Okay, again we have one more card down. Let's see. Oh yeah, just something is maybe something suddenly happened with this tower card, and you're feeling why. Or maybe you had a program and your voice is not your voice is gone, or something like that might have happened, and that's why you're very worried right now. So everything will be good. Or for many of you, it's a change that you need to make in your life. Sometimes God's rejection is God's blessing. I feel like that. Maybe you wanted an opportunity, you didn't get it, and in the future you will be like, yeah, I didn't get that opportunity because I had a better one, right? So that is what I'm feeling like. Maybe right now you're feeling like that, very like why this happened. You're going through emotional phase, you're feeling low, but everything will be working out for you. It will be in your favor. So that is why you are hearing this message. So don't feel low, you will be back, guys. Okay, and always speak your truth. That is what I'm feeling strong for you guys. Always speak your truth, and don't do something that you don't want to, and don't do something that doesn't make you happy. That is strong. Call upon Archangel Gabriel. I'm getting that also with this throat chakra. He might help you with that if you believe in him, if you believe in archangels. Yeah, look, confidence. So for many of you, it's your confidence. You're not feeling that confident. Okay, if you have a presentation, if you want to sing, I feel like you have some major event and something happened, something unexpected happened. Maybe your voice is not acting up. Maybe you're because of that you're not feeling confident. Something happened. You lost some opportunity. And I feel that took a toll on your confidence. You will gain your confidence back, guys. Don't worry, be confident, work on your confidence. You will be able to achieve whatever you desire to. So believe in yourself, guys. Right now your spirit animals are saying to believe in your shifting. Look, with this, yeah, things are gonna shift. Okay, things are gonna shift for you guys. As I said, if you're feeling low right now, things will shift for you guys. Don't worry, guys. Be confident in yourself, believe in yourself. Everything will be okay in the end. So group number 1, good luck is with you. Right now I know you're not feeling that, but you will in the future. I know something major has happened. That was like with this disruption card. For many of you, I feel you have gone through some sort of change that was not so good. Maybe it can be health wise, it can be like your voice is low, or you're not feeling confident, or you're feeling like why this is happening, why I lost this opportunity, and because of that you have this lack of confidence right now. You were confident in the past, right now you're not feeling that confidence. That will shift. You will be back to yourself. Yeah, if you're not feeling yourself, you will be back to yourself. Okay, so let's see what are the last cards, and then we'll do the charms for you guys. So what are the messages from your spirit animals for group number 1? Look, you're the magicians. Okay, we have this yeah, you will be, look, you need to believe in yourself right now. Okay, that is what you need to do. You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe in your manifestation skills. Look at this, flower is blossoming. You will be blossoming. Okay, so just believe. Look, we have the light. There is the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, so don't be afraid to go through the tunnel. That is what I feel like. We have this 8 symbol, the infinity symbol. There will be infinite possibilities. You will get out of this phase. You know, you're feeling very stuck, you're feeling very low, you are feeling something major happened, something unexpected happened that made you lose your charm. I'm getting, you will be back. You will be able to, you maybe you lost a job, or maybe the job you always wanted, or you were waiting for this opportunity, maybe you lost it, but you will get a better one. You can manifest anything. So it's now is the time to believe in yourself. Get up there, take your journal out, manifest the things you desire, get back. Okay, be happy, be yourself. Okay, so that is what I feel like. Get out of your couch. You have cried, maybe you were like very emotional, you cried, you have released. Now it's time to get up, do your work. Okay, work on yourself, do some exercises. Just, yeah, that is what I feel. Meditate, go out, have fun. Okay guys, everything will be okay. So let's see what your charms have to add to this. I'll just take the charms for my group number 1. Animal spirit messages for my group number 1. Okay, so I'm just going to take the letters also, and then we'll. Okay, so the first thing I saw is a gift. Yes, so I see an opportunity for you guys, definitely. So yeah, a travel opportunity. Yeah, it can be a travel opportunity coming. Okay, for you guys, or maybe you're definitely getting out of the space. If you're feeling very low right now, you are definitely gonna go out of the space. Don't worry. As I said, do some exercise, have some fun, full energy with this charm. Okay, just have some fun. Yeah, the mask is gonna lift. You're gonna get your answers. Your answers are, you need to cut this phase, just fix this. Just get out of the bed, just get out of the couch, because you can fix everything in your life. You are the manifestors, you're the powerful manifestors. You have that key, you have that wisdom. So believe in yourself. Okay, you're gonna heal. Yeah, you're going through an healing process also. I feel like you will be healing this. You have lost something, definitely. I feel like, yeah, you're feeling very slow. You're feeling like things are not speeding up. Why is like the but you will see it clearly, guys. You will have your answers, you will get your answers. Okay, don't worry. Your spirit animals are saying, or for some of you, your spirit animal can also be seahorse, and we have tortoise also. So you might be seeing tortoise like slow and steady. Once the race and seahorse, if you have family problems, you will be resolving your family problems also. The mask is going to lift. Okay, the truth is going to come out. Okay, if someone dished you, their mask will be out. Yeah, people will see their true colors. That is also I'm getting. U and E. Then we have C, we have T, we have A. Oh, cat. Freedom, healers. Okay, you're gonna heal yourself. Again, we have cat. Cat is all about independence. You will get your independence, guys. Remember that. Okay, don't worry. Then I, you'll be back to yourself. That is the first thing I'm feeling. You will be back. Yeah. Okay, we have you again. It's about you. Take care of yourself, nurture your soul, believe in yourself, have confidence, gain that confidence back, work on your confidence, believe in yourself, do manifestation, write positive affirmation, talk beautifully to yourself, like motivate yourself. Get out of that. I don't know why I'm saying for the third or fourth time, get out of your couch. I'm like getting a vision, someone is like laying in the couch, like very emotional. Why this happened? Why? Get out from there. Just shake your energy. Let it go out, okay? So yeah, that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello, my group number 2. If you chose this coin, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what your spirit animal message is, what you need to know right now. Let's see. We have moose. Oh, we have good luck. Okay, the first message I'm getting is that your wisdom will give you a lot of good luck. Your intuition will give you a lot of good luck. So listen to the wisdom of your body, because you are getting a lot of answers within yourself. So always trust your intuition, because whenever you feel some ideas, or whenever you are feeling like if you're getting an idea out of nowhere, just trust that idea and go for it, because that will give you a lot of abundance. I'm getting a lot of good luck. So if you get an opportunity, and if you feel like that, yes, this is mine, this is my opportunity, I should take action, just go for it, because that will give you a lot of happiness. Like, that is what I feel like. Okay, and of course, with this moose, a lot of wisdom. Your ancestors are around you. I feel like that you're very connected to your ancestors. Maybe you have a passed on loved one who is helping you. So whenever you feel stuck, just light a candle, sit with yourself. You will get your answers, because your ancestors are around you. They are helping you, they're guiding you. Okay, so it's important that you cleanse yourself. Okay, maybe you take on other people's energy. That is also, I feel like, maybe sometimes it's not even your energy. When you feel a lot of negativity, maybe it's not your energy. So look around, who is taking your energy. Like, maybe there are friends who are like talking all the time negative, because of that you are not feeling that positive. Like, so it's time to like do some decluttering. I'm getting, if your house is a mess, if you need to clean, so I feel like it's time to clean your house. Okay, so, and get some light. I'm getting some light. Are you always in the like like in the dark, like in your house? Just get out and get some some warmth, some sunlight, some vitamin D. I'm getting that vibe. Okay, you need to go out. Maybe you haven't gone out for a longer time. I don't know, for some of you it's like, it's a specific message, you need to go out. I'm getting this, I don't know, I'm seeing an alcohol bottle. You're drinking a lot, it's time to stop. Okay, so that is very specific. Okay, I don't know. I'm trusting my intuition, guys. So this is a very yeah, I don't know it's for whom it is. So you have been drinking a lot, it's time to stop. It's time to get out. It's time to connect with your friends. Okay, it's time to meditate. So start your day with gratitude. Okay, I'm getting that also. Have a gratitude journal. So your spirit animal is saying just start your day with giving thanks to the universe and to the blessings that you have already received. And when you do that, that is when more blessings will come. Okay, it's time to stop something. If you're overeating, it's time to stop. Okay, if you're not working out, if you're just emotional eating, okay, if you're eating a lot of ice creams or something, I don't know, if you're eating over and you know it, it's time to stop. Okay, get back to the treadmill. Okay, it's like very specific one, I don't know for whom it is, but if it's you, your ancestors, your spirit animal are saying it's time to stop that. You are over indulging in something, maybe you're overeating, over drinking, and you know it. Okay, so it's time to stop. Okay, that is a very channeled message here. Yeah, that I felt. Okay, maybe for many of you, you are getting in your own way. For maybe some of you are procrastinating on something, like I'll do it tomorrow, and you'd never do it. Like cleaning house, right? For example, you like, I need to clean this space of mine and I'll do it tomorrow. Then you'll like wake up next morning and then I'll do it tomorrow, and then you will never do it. So stop that, just do it. When you feel like it, just go and clean your house, clean your rooms. That will give you a very good energy. I don't know, I'm seeing a lot of messiness, a lot of mess, like your wardrobe is a mess, your area where you're living, it's a mess. For some of you, you need to clean your house. I'm getting that. You need to clean your house. If you have an altar, just clean your altar also and sit there, meditate. Okay, that is what I'm strongly getting that, because that is because of that, like when we for example, if our wardrobe is like a mess, it's very difficult to take the clothes or something like that, you know. And when we try to take clothes, it will become more messier. So like that are thoughts also. So if we overthink, we think one thought, and then that will lead to another, and that will lead to a lot of different thoughts. That is not good, right? That is what I feel for you guys. So it's important, and because of that, you're not trusting your intuition, because you're in this phase where you're like overthinking, over stressing, making scenarios that will never come, like the scenarios, the bad scenarios, or maybe about the world situation, whatever it is. Maybe you're watching a lot of media, a lot of fake news, or maybe you're watching people who are like putting fear into other people's mind. I don't know, that is very strong here. You need to get out, clean your room, have a spiritual bath, cleanse your energy. Whoever it is, just do that, guys. It will give you a lot of like, you will feel very relaxed, and just meditate. I'm getting that, because your ancestors are with you, they are guiding you. Okay, you're for many of you, I feel your intuition will take you to the path of success. Your intuition knows well, your wisdom knows better than other people. So if you're asking questions to other people, don't ask. Search within yourself, because all the answers are within yourself. You're guided by the ancestors. Okay, there might be obstacles, but you will be easily overcoming it. I'm getting that. With this antennas, lot of information. For many of you, I feel your crown chakra is activated. It's like a lot of messages are coming for you guys, and you're not able to like maybe your crown chakra is imbalanced, or I feel like a lot of messages are coming in and you don't know what is right, what is wrong. So you're not able to trust your intuition. So it's time to meditate, it's time to work on your crown chakra. That is also I'm getting. But definitely a lot of good luck is there for you guys, but you need to make a little bit changes, like lifestyle changes. Eat healthy, exercise, don't stress. Okay, meditate, maybe yeah, that is what I feel for you guys. Your ancestors are with you. First, I'm getting grandfather figure for some of you. There is a grandfather who is looking out. Okay, I'm feeling, I don't know, I'm getting the word name George. Okay, so yeah, let your head and mind reach to the stars, yet keep your feet grounded on the earth. Listen to the ancient wisdom in your soul. The ancestors speak through you. You know much. Look at that. Okay, so yeah, so that is what I was saying with this most, right? So wisdom, lot of guidance is coming your way. A lot of ancestors are protecting you. Maybe it's like your like you don't know these people, but they are guiding you. Like, yeah, you have a lot of wisdom. you have a lot of wisdom, but right now you need to gather, you need to come back to like the first pile also I was saying come back to yourself. This is also like come back, maybe because of the world problems, all are like getting like too caught up in that stress. So just declutter your media. It can be your media, you need to declutter social media, what you're watching. Okay, so take a note on that and meditate. Like have a practice. If you're doing that, it's great, it will be working for you guys, you will be getting the answers. And yes, trust your intuition, go that follow your intuition, because you will get a, you are with this ladybug, a lot of good luck is coming your way. Okay, you are a bright energy, let worry go and be happy here and now. Feel good about being a loving and colorful you bless the world with color and good luck. So yes, so a lot of good luck is coming. So yeah, happy times are coming. So as I said, if you're I'm not going to repeat it. So that is the thing. Okay, so let's see what else for my group number 2. For many of you, I feel you're worried about your finances, because we have these coins. So don't worry, good luck is coming. Okay, things will not be the same. Things are going to shift for you guys. So listen to your own wisdom. For many of you, you know it, your intuition, you know it, that everything will be okay. Then do you worry? So it's important, it's good you don't worry about it. Just keep on working what you're working, and always hope for the best outcome, right? So that is very important here, because you have good luck coming. Some good things are coming your way. Okay, I'm getting a good I just saw a gift, like a gift, someone is opening a gift. Maybe for many of you, you might receive a gift. Okay, okay, so let's see what else for my, okay, I'm hearing the words, I'm getting sign. For some of you, you will see a sign. Okay, leaves, I'm like leaves, a lot of growth. Okay, yeah, spring season. For some of you, your manifestations might happen at the time spring. Yeah, spring is like, yeah, spring season. Now it's spring, right? March. So yeah, spring season. Something will happen in the, some manifestations are coming in the month of March or spring season. Okay, let's see what else for my group number 2. Oh yeah, temptation. Oh, devil energy. Look, what I was talking about, stress, right? Yeah, a lot of stress, lot of overthinking. You need to get out. A lot of indulgence. I told you about the alcohol or something like that, and we got the card temptation, right? So maybe it's that habit that you need to let go of, that is coming in your way. Maybe it's your own thinking that is coming in your way, like your own negative pattern that is coming in your way. That is, and because of that, you're not able to manifest, right? You will be for example, you're manifesting something and you're like, why this is not coming, why this is not coming? That means you're coming in your own way. Because when we like, or maybe you're like just complaining about it, or maybe you're talking about it, oh, this is not happening for me, or if you're like putting your energy on that, it will take more time, the manifestation will not come. Okay, so it's important and with this temptation, as I said, in maybe I told you about alcohol. It was just a channel message. For some of you, you need to get out of it. That's not helping you. Okay, let's see what else. For many of you, you want to make more money, you know. It's okay to make money, but don't be too much caught up in it. Okay, just do your work and hope for the best. That's it. For some of you, it can be a person. Because of a person, you're feeling very stressed, right? For some of you, it's time to let go of that person who is making you feel stuck, who's like manipulating you. You need to get out of it. Okay, but here, I don't know, I'm getting this vibe of like indulgence of something, like eating a lot or something that is not good, and you know it, or maybe it's your own thinking pattern that you need to work on. For my group number 2, because you have a lot of wisdom, you know who is good for you, you can feel it, right? So yeah, so start your I feel like you need to get into your spiritual practice. I feel like that, meditate. Okay, group number 2, what else for group number 2? Yeah, stand your ground. Okay, so believe in yourself. That is what I feel like, that if you have been manifesting your something. So yeah, as I was saying, for some of you, it can be a person. Okay, that is coming in your way, that is like telling you you're not good enough. you don't have to listen to these kind of people who are putting you down. Okay, maybe they are trying to control you, and you need to just stand your ground. If you want to do something, just go for it. Okay, you have that wisdom, you don't have to ask a permission. I'm getting why for many of you, you feel like you need to have this permission of this person. No, you don't. You can do, um, because you can make your own decisions, and your decisions will be correct. Your intuition is good. There are people who are manipulating you, you don't have to get into them. Okay, some people are trying to stop you. Okay, I'm getting some people are trying to stop you to do something because they are jealous. So you need to let go of these people. Okay, maybe it's your friend. They are like, whenever you say some idea or whenever you talk about yourself, they'll be like, no, it is not gonna work. If you have these kind of friends, it's time to get out of that. Okay, make your decisions by yourself. Maybe for many of you, you are in this indecisiveness, where you want clarity from other people. I'm getting this. You don't need clarity from other people. You don't have to ask guidance from other people, because everything is inside of you. So just believe in yourself. Okay, stand your ground. It's like believing in yourself and believing in your own spirituality, believing in your own intuition, and going with it. Okay, so that is coming for group number 2. What else for my group number 2? Okay, wait, feel it. Okay, yeah, you need to for many of you, it's like is a time where you need to relax. You need to like, I'm getting this spiritual practice. You need to meditate, you need to ground your energy. For many of you, it's time to do that. You are stressing a lot. It's time for this rejuvenation. It's time to take care of your body. If you're eating unhealthy, it's time to let go of that. It's time to take care of your body. It's time to nourish your soul. Okay, so very important here. Yeah, you are gonna rise. Okay, like you it's like a phoenix is gonna rise. Okay, like rising above. Like, what is that? Rising above the ashes, the phoenix rising, right? That is what I feel with this this card. Like, you're gonna return. Okay, if you have been indulging on something, if you have been very depressed or very anxious about something, you're gonna rise above, because you're right now you are going through a process of healing that, and you will rise above. So if you are indulging in something, this negativity, you're going to rise above. You know who you are, and remember, you're gifted. Okay, I'm getting the word, you're gifted. Your soul is gifted. Okay, so for many of you, it's like you have a passion. Okay, you have a passion, and many other people are like not supporting you, and because of that, you're feeling like, is it right for me? Okay, if you want to do some spiritual stuff and people are not supportive enough, and you're like in fear, like what will happen if I do this? It's time to listen to your intuition, listen to yourself, and go with it, because you will be like, you will have that success. That is what I feel like for group number 2. If you're worried about your finances, you will have that finances. You will rise above everything. That is what I feel like for group number 2. Okay, so let's see what else for my group number 2. Oh, look, we have 2 of Cups energy here, and we have, look, the Ace of Cups is here. So yeah, so new opportunity is coming. For many of you, it can be a person is coming. Okay, I feel like that a person is coming. New opportunities are coming. New friends, you will be making good friends. If you don't have good friends right now, I feel like you will be making some good friends. New opportunity coming, new people coming. But before that, you need to get out of your own way. You need to believe in yourself. You need to let go of the people who are like putting that negativity inside of you. And for many of you, I feel like you're getting in your own way. So it's self-sabotaging tendencies like procrastination, like that kind of, you need to let go of it. For many of you, your energies are going to be balanced. Okay, so good luck is coming your way, but at the same time, you need to, as I have told a lot of things for this, so work on that. Take the message that resonates to you and stand your ground. Believe in yourself, keep working. If you're feeling like you're stuck or you're not moving forward in your life, you will move forward. Just right now, you need to stand your ground. You need to believe in yourself, take care of your soul, eat healthy. Things are going to be in balance. If your relationship, I feel for many of you, you will be getting out of a toxic relationship, and you will meet a person that will give you that like equality. It can be a friend relationship, okay, it can be a friend, it can be a love relationship, but definitely you are going to get that equality. Look, the sun is going to rise, okay, you're going to get out of this devil phase, right, this temptation phase. You're not going to be controlled by anyone, because you're going to be, yeah, that's the thing, you need to trust yourself, your own intuition here. Okay, so let's see the charms also for you guys for group number 2. For group number 2, charms for messages conspiracy. Oh, a lot of charms popped out, and the letters. We have a lizard. Wow. Okay, lizards talk about regeneration, right? Yeah, they cut their tail when they are in a dangerous situation, and then they move, right? So yeah, you're gonna regenerate, you're gonna come out of that situation, guys. If you are yeah, you're gonna come out of it, okay, you're gonna regenerate. Oh, you're gonna be busy. I feel if you are like feeling very low, in the future you will be busy, like I got this rising above the ashes or something like that. Like rising, phoenix rising above the ashes. You are going to be like that. You will have a lot of work to do. I'm getting, if you're feeling very low, if you're feeling very like, if you're not getting that work, or if you're feeling that your work is not moving forward, I feel the work will move forward and you will be busy in the coming weeks. Okay, yeah, that is what I feel. You will be very busy in the coming weeks. What else? Yeah, look at that. Take your, yeah, stand your ground, guys. Take your power back. Don't give your power to anyone else. It can be, maybe you're giving your power to alcohol, maybe you're giving your power to some drugs, maybe you're giving your power to your laziness, or maybe you're giving your power to someone else. It's time to take your power back. We have 2 wheels here. And for many of you, if you're feeling stuck, your wheel is turning in your favor, okay? So yeah, if you're doing the spiritual practice, if you're working on your stuff, like you're doing meditation, remember your wheel is gonna turn. Yeah, good times are coming, you have good luck. Like we have the card of good luck also, right? Ladybug, yeah. So yeah, look, you have all the solutions within yourself. Wisdom. With this wisdom card, we have, look at the keys. We got 2 keys, right? So yeah, you have the wisdom, you have all the answers within yourself, okay? You're very protected, guys. Things are coming together. Yeah, with this mind, body, soul, you need to meditate. You need to ground your energy. For many of you, you're very stressed about something. It's time to take the rest. It's time to take some break. Connect with yourself. Go outside nature, connect with yourself. Look, elephant for Lord Ganesh. If you believe in Lord Ganesh, I'm getting the vibe. Your obstacles will be going. Your obstacles will be removed. That is what I'm getting. If you're going through an obstacle, if you do something and sometimes we do something and it doesn't pan out. That idea sometimes the idea doesn't work out. Don't discourage. Don't be discouraged, because some other idea will work out. Your obstacles are gonna be removed. So keep on working. Okay, keep on working. Friendships, maybe for some of you, as I said, a soulmate connection. We have 2 of cups. For many of you, maybe you will get a loyal friend in the future. You might, or maybe you might collaborate with someone, and like after the collaboration you will become like very close friends, or maybe the relationship will get into an maybe it can be a love situation where you will be like starting out as friends and then the relationship will progress. That can also happen. Things are coming together, okay? But first you need to make some changes. If you are overindulging in something, you need to make that change. Remember that, okay? Yeah, look into the mirror and say that positive affirmations that you will be successful. Do that positive affirmation. Love yourself, accept the way you are, okay? Don't give power to other people. You're very intelligent people. You can make your own decisions, right? And if you're feeling very discouraged right now, I feel your passion is gonna come back, and I feel you need to work on your sacral chakra, your own creativity. For many of you, you might be feeling blocked, like your creativity is not, you're not getting that spark. You're not, if you're writers, you're not able to write right now, but you will be back, okay? Don't worry about it. You will get your creativity back. RAL T L E, a lot of E and A, E, again E, yeah, ant. We have ant. Ants are hard workers, right? They are not lazy, right? So you have to work hard. Whenever you work hard, remember, if you have worked hard, your hard work will pay off. Okay, lie. Okay, don't lie to yourself. Maybe for some of you, you're lying to yourself that you're not good enough, that you'll not be able to make it. It's a lie. Believe in yourself. Or maybe some people are lying to you and that will come out. Okay, if the people are gossiping about it, that will come out. You don't have to worry about it, right? Okay, you just need to focus on yourself. That is what I feel like. Yeah, that is what I feel like. Ten, yeah, completion of a cycle. You're completing a cycle, major cycle. The cycle is ending, the obstacles one. Now it's like the period of good luck. I feel like that. All you need, you're gonna rise above the ashes. Phoenix rising above the ashes. You're going to be that. Your things are coming back. Things are coming back. If you're feeling very like low, if you're not feeling in your power, things are gonna come back. All you need to do is meditate, rest, take rest. Okay, everything will be in your favor. Remember that. Okay, I'm getting to Ravan. Like, I don't know why Ravan. Like, yeah, destruction of the devil, something like that. Yeah, you're gonna come out of that phase. Okay, you're getting out of it. You're getting the keys. For many of you, you might be like opening a new office or a new home, something like that. Keys to that. Answers to your solution, to your problems are within yourself. Your wheel is gonna turn, guys. So that's it for group number 2. Okay, bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you chose this amethyst pendulum, then this is your reading with me. Let's see what your spirit animal has for you guys. So what are the messages? Oh, patience, Heron, and sea otter happiness. So I'm getting, while you wait, be happy. Okay, while you wait, embrace happiness. Don't stress about it. Okay, enjoy the process. Be in the present. Embrace peaceful living. Go out, have fun, connect with your friends and family at the same time while you're waiting. Your things will manifest. All you need to know right now is to have patience. Patience doesn't mean that you have to just sit and wait. No, you have to keep on working on the things you're working. Things will manifest for you guys at the divine timing. So maybe for many of you, you have chosen this pendulum and you're like, yes or no, whether this will manifest, yes or no. Maybe that is what your question is, yes or no. I want to know. So it's like, don't go, yeah, your things will manifest, but at the same time it will come at the divine timing when you are ready. Okay, when you are ready. So that is what your spirit animals messages is. So at the same time, you have achieved a lot of success. If you have achieved, be grateful for that. Enjoy all the things that you have in your life. Give gratitude to the divine for the blessings you have received. So the more you give the gratitude, the more you receive. So that is also important. So go out, have fun, enjoy life, take one step at a time. Don't be too concerned about the future, because good things take time. I told for group 1, I think so, but again for group number 3 also, good things take time. Okay, all you need to work on yourself, work hard, do your best, and give the rest to the universe. Certain things we can control like on our emotions. We can control the way we do things. We can we can do hard work, but the rest of the things that we can't control, like how this will work out, how will be the outcome, you just need to give that to the divine. You can't control. Don't resist anything. So like if you're in a relationship and you're waiting for this person, you cannot control their emotions. All you can control is yourself. So let go of that. You don't have to control. If you're trying to make other people's life easier, you cannot do that. You cannot control other people's emotions. All you can give is advice to them. Okay, so that is also coming through. So do your part, do your job, and be patient. Okay, impatience will not give you anything right now, because you have so many, I feel for this pal, you have little bit of blessings, you have achieved little bit of success, so enjoy that. Okay, even if you haven't achieved success, enjoy the little things you have in your life. Be grateful for the things you have in your life, because there are so many people who don't have things that you have, right? So it's important to be grateful, and to meditate, to keep manifesting, and to pray to the divine. Like, get up in the morning, pray, be grateful for the things. That is what I feel like. Okay, at the same time, enjoy life. If you want to take a break, go and take a break instead of stressing. If you want to go out, if we can't go out, just get make like, listen to songs, watch some movies that you like, do something that you love, that makes you happy. If you have kids, spend some time with them instead of over stressing. So enjoy life, enjoy life while you wait. That is what I'm getting. Okay. Huron, patience. Create a place in nature's stillness and be renewed. Take time alone to find balance. Step confidently towards your purpose. Patience will bring you rewards. And sea otter, it's like, it goes hand in hand with this, because it's like, get into the nature, have fun, relax. And this is also about finding stillness, having some fun time, like connecting with your own self, going out in nature, like seeing the small things and being happy, like giving, like being grateful for everything that you have. So that is what you need to do. Okay, so be the master of playful living. Release expectations. As I said, you can't control anything. You cannot, sometimes what we expect doesn't happen, right? And it's okay. So release that. Don't expect too much from other people, because at the end you will be disappointed. So it's better to only expect, if you can do something, expect that, yeah, I'll be able to do that, so I'm gonna do it. Don't expect like lot from other people. Sometimes it will give you disappointment. So it's okay. So don't expect, release that expectations, give that expectations to the divine, let them take care of it. Okay, release expectations and enjoy every day. So when we have a lot of expectations, we don't enjoy life, right? Because I want this, oh, I don't have this, they have this. Stop that and enjoy your life. Okay, and when you enjoy, that is when you'll be manifesting. So that is what they're saying. Okay, that is what your spirit animal wants you to know, sea otter wants you to know, heron wants you to know, right? Let worry go and instead choose love. Surrender to the waves. Your good destiny of love is sure. So for some of you, you're waiting for love and you're like, when will I get a love? So patiently wait, you will get. Enjoy your life, and when you enjoy your life, you will have that, you will be like attracting things towards you when we enjoy life, when we are very grateful for the things we already have in our life. So that is what your spirit animal wants you to know at that point of time, to be in the present moment, to enjoy life. The sun is going to rise for you guys. Okay, be patient. What else? Yeah, solitude. Again, it's time to spend some quality time with yourself, guys, meditating with the solitude. So if you want to, like, you have a lot of wisdom that's need to be shared. Okay, so that is also coming here. So with this hermit card, or there is light inside of you, you're getting all your answers by yourself. So if you're going through a period where you are very impatient, if you're feeling very impatient, it's time to spend some quality time with yourself and know why things are taking time. You will get your answers. Okay, for many of you it can be learning something new. Okay, go ahead with it, because that will give you a lot of success. I feel like that if you want to do some online, like if you want to learn something online, just, I don't know, I got that. If you want to learn something online, just go with it. And yeah, don't be afraid to spend some time with yourself, because this is not a lonely time. You will not feel lonely. You'll be connecting to the divine at this time. Okay, so use this time, meditate. Your answers are coming. I feel like that a cycle with this 9 number cycle is completing. So enjoy your life, enjoy your enjoy with your your life. If you're alone right now, enjoy that aloneness. Yeah, you are not lonely, because your divine is with you. Remember that. Okay. So read, we have book. Maybe for some of you, you need to read a book. Whenever you're feeling bored, just go and read that book. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, We have success, we have triumph, right? With this chariot energy, you're gonna move forward. Don't be afraid to go alone. Okay, I'm getting here. Yeah, you don't be afraid to go alone. If you want to do something, don't be afraid to go alone. You can achieve anything. You have that much power. Okay, for many of you, it's your recognition. Maybe you will be recognized for something, some public recognition I'm getting for you guys. So be patient, guys, because there is so much success coming for you guys. Okay, the success that I feel for many of you, this is something that you did by yourself. You didn't take help from anyone else. You did something by yourself that will be very successful. So so why it gives universe a little bit of time. Just wait, because yeah, just wait and enjoy life. That is what I'm getting for you guys. You are going to be, yeah, I feel you're like really very bored right now. You don't know what is happening, why things are taking a lot of time, right? So just embrace this and have, it's like for you the message is, don't be so caught up whether I will get it or not. Instead, enjoy life and work on it. Okay, what are you working? Keep on working, because it will be very successful. So something alone, you have started something alone, something you're doing something by yourself. Just keep on doing it, because it will give you success. It will give you it will gain momentum, I'm getting. Okay, you will achieve the success. Let's see what else. Yeah, recognition. Look, I told you that triumph and recognition, and your spirit guides, your angels are recognizing your prayers. So what you have been praying, you will get it. Okay, recognition. And I told you some recognition is coming. Like I told you, yeah, some success, some people will be recognizing your work that you have started by yourself. You're doing something by yourself that will be recognized. People will be appreciating you. Right now you're like, why I'm not able to do that. Maybe you're writing a blog and no one is reading it, but in the future I see people will be doing that. So be patient, keep on working, because you will be recognized. For some of you, it's like public recognition. Okay, yeah, but definitely your spirit guides, your angels, your divine, all are recognizing your hard work. They have recognized you. Okay, you have been working. Maybe for many of you, you have been working, you have been in the solitude energy for a long time, and you have been working on something. You will be recognized for that. Don't worry, be patient, guys. Okay, that is what I'm getting for you guys. One more card from this deck. Oh wow, music. Okay, for some of you, it's your music, that you have been making music by yourself, and maybe you will be recognized for that. Right now you are not recognized, right? So so that is like, you will be very successful. For many of you, it can be like public recognition. People will be like appreciating for your music. Okay, so so yeah, you will be known. For many of you, you will be in spotlight also through your music, right? So maybe you have some YouTube channel, it's not gaining momentum, but I see in the future it will gain momentum. So believe in your music. Don't expect from other people, expect from yourself, and keep on working. But your spirit guides, your angels are helping you, and you will get the recognition. For others of you, whenever you're feeling very stuck, listen to meditation music, and through meditation music you can manifest a lot of things, because music will do wonders for you guys, I'm hearing. So yeah, music is very important. So listen to like different frequency. There are a lot of frequencies, different frequency of music. So if you want to manifest, there's manifestation music. Use that music, because that will be very beneficial for you guys. And if you're feeling stressed, music will help you with that. So yeah, music plays a very important role in your journey. So whenever you're stressed, use music. And for others, it can be your career. You want to get recognized in this space, like you are singers, you are like making music, you play instruments. Yes, you will get there. Okay, maybe it's like artistic also. Maybe you're like an artist or something creative. Definitely you will get there. Okay, and while you wait, enjoy life. That is the message from your spirit animals. So what else for my group number 3? Oh, look, 4 of Wands energy, right? Yes, wow, completion. I'm getting completion word. Something is completing, and we have this 9 also. So it's this major cycle is ending. Now is the time for you're hoping for security, stability. For many of you, you might meet a person whom you will be marrying. Also, I'm getting, or if you are already married, this person will be supporting you. This person will be helping you. Maybe you started something alone, and there will be people helping you in the future. I'm getting. Okay, if you're feeling alone right now, if you're feeling that I am doing everything by myself, in the future I feel people will be helping you. Like a lot of abundance is also there with this Four of Wands energy. Look, a lot of peace, like the sun is shining. Look at the grapes, there is a lot of abundance, a lot of happiness. You will be dancing, right? So yeah, dancing, happy times are coming. That is what I'm getting. Or for many of you, it can be dance also that you are interested in. Keep on dancing, okay? Like artists, like dancing, that music, something like that. You will be recognized for that. So keep on practicing. Keep on practicing your skills while you wait. Because you will be successful. You will be very recognized. This pile is like very recognized. People will be like, maybe through YouTube, maybe through your social media, or really fame is also I'm getting. But you will have a very secure life, very stable life. So don't worry about anything, guys. So let's see. That is what I got for this. Let's see the charms, what the charms have to add to this for group number 3. Okay, charms. And for group number 3, what are the messages from spirit animals? Oh, we got the number 4 and 4, and we got 4 of Wands also, right? So yeah, we have butterfly, 2 butterflies, transformation. Things are changing for you guys. Like, yeah, stability is coming, security is coming, guys. 2 butterflies. You were in this caterpillar stage, now you're gonna be the butterfly. You're gonna have your freedom. Okay, things are shifting for you guys. Be patient, guys. Things are shifting for you guys. So if you're working, if you're working, like with the solitude card I'm getting, you were working on something, like you were hiding that work. In the future you will speak your truth. You will not hide your work. I'm getting that also. If you were hiding your work or something like that, your creative thing, you will not hide it anymore. You will be very proud of it. People will appreciate. Like money wise also, we have this 4 of Wands energy. We got 4 and 4, 8. So yeah, abundance, prosperity. Look, a lot of love from people, recognition. Look, you're feeling very indecisive right now. Be patient, guys. All you need to do is like enjoy life. Okay, that is what your spirit animal is saying. OAQUT W and O. Okay, I'm getting like listen to your gut feeling. Yeah, your instinct. Listen to your instinct. Yeah, that is a message. Okay, listen to that. Never ignore that. Then you're like, what, when will happen? You're like what, why, when this will happen, why I have to wait, why this is not happening, what is happening? If you're questioning this, be patient, guys. You will get your answers. Don't worry about it. Okay, everything will be okay. Then yeah, I'm getting watch also. Watch. So it's like your time. You're like, time is going. When will I get it? When will I get it? No, time is not going anywhere. You will achieve your success. Okay. I'm getting OTT platforms or something like that. I don't know. I'm getting that word like that. If it means something to you, okay. Then yeah. That's it, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Group number 3.